the radiant heart and the song of glory, crying freedom, freedom in the night. These are the days by the sparkling river. It's timely grace in our treasured find. This is the love of the one magician, turning the water into wine. These are the days of the endless dancing and the long walks on the summer night. These are the days of the